Navigate to the course page where the quiz is located and click on it. On the following page, click the gear icon to the right of the page. This will display a drop-down menu with a host of action items associated with the quiz. To adjust the quiz settings, select the Edit Settings option. The settings page will load, enabling you to make any changes that are needed. After making your changes, scroll down and select either the Save and Display or Save and Return to Course buttons. To edit the content or questions within the quiz, click on the quiz to open it and select the gear icon to display the drop-down menu of action items. Select the Edit Quiz option to open the quiz contents and add, remove, or adjust questions as needed. Please note, you may not make any changes to the quiz contents in the event a student has attempted the quiz previously. Your changes to the contents on this page will automatically save, and you may navigate away to another course page whenever you are satisfied with your adjustments.